Northern Ireland Railways, operated by Translink, manages a 333 kilometers network with primarily CAF-built diesel trains, delivering safe and reliable regional and inner-city services. CAF employs hundreds of professionals across 17 UK depots, including Belfast, where we support NIR's Class 3000 and 4000 fleets from York Road, Adelaide, and Fort William. Our partnership goes beyond maintenance. It's about innovation, trust, and a shared vision for smarter journeys.
Two of the pillars of Translink's Better Connected strategy are continuous improvement and customer focus. And with that as a foundation and a culture of innovation, we are using digital transformation as a strategic lever to really drive operational excellence at Translink. One of our goals was to obtain actionable intelligence, data we can use. And the CAF LeadMind platform has given us the opportunity to optimise fleet performance and improve availability.
LeadMind for us is not just about bringing in a new technology that gives us an enhanced diagnostic capability. Here in Translink, it's more about strategic transformation. What we're trying to do is bring the data into a single home where we can analyse it more thoroughly with the operations staff as well as our own technical staffs. From those technical analysis, what we bring is improvements to the fleet, and already across the two fleets, as a result of LeadMind, we're seeing a 45% improvement in the casualty and service rate. So this is a great enhancement. So we look forward to continuing that development and the enhancements that LeadMind brings. So it's a great asset for the business as a whole.
Real-time monitoring through LeadMind has revolutionised daily operations. It allows us quicker decision making, reduces service incidents, overall enhances the passenger experience and allows us to be more proactive than reactive.
The predictive capabilities of LeadMind is allowing us to detect potential failures early, which in turn help us to prevent in-service safety defects. The shift from corrective maintenance to preventative maintenance has benefited fleet reliability greatly.
So our support includes predictive, preventative, overhaul and corrective actions across a wide range of systems.
From LeadMind, we will keep developing new digital capabilities that will shape the future of optimal fleet performance.
As we move forward, we are proud to see more women leading the way in rail, driving change and inspiring the next generation. We envision a future where data empowers every decision, ensuring a safer, smarter and more sustainable railway for all.